In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Klaviyo signup forms to your WordPress. By the end, your Klaviyo forms will be ready to appear on your WordPress site, so visitors can subscribe without any extra code. First, head to your Klaviyo dashboard. Make sure you're in the correct account and workspace for the site you're working on. From the main menu, open the website section. This is where Klaviyo keeps your on-site tools, including your pop-ups and embedded forms. Next, go into signup forms. Here you'll see every form you've created along with their status and performance. Use the search bar to quickly find the exact form you want to connect. Searching by name or keyword saves time if you have multiple variations. It also helps to use a clear naming convention like homepage pop-up or footer embed, so you always pick the right one. Before you move over to WordPress, take a moment to make sure your form is in good shape. Double check the design, the copy, and the fields you're collecting. Confirm it's assigned to the correct list, review the success message, and confirm any display targeting rules, like which pages it should appear on or who should see it. Preview on both desktop and mobile to ensure everything looks clean and loads quickly. When your form is ready, it's time to connect it to your site. Open your WordPress dashboard for the site you want to use. Make sure you have admin access so you can manage plugins. Go to Plugins, then Add New. In the search bar, type Klaviyo. You're looking for the official Klaviyo plugin, which makes the integration straightforward and keeps your site compatible with future updates. Click into the Klaviyo plugin to view details and confirm you've got the right one. Then click Get Started. This will launch the setup flow that connects your WordPress site with your Klaviyo account and enables your sign-up forms to display. Follow the on-screen prompts and let the plugin handle the heavy lifting. Once that's done, visit your site and check a page where your form should appear. If you don't see it right away, clear your cache, refresh, and test in an incognito window to rule out browser caching or pop-up blockers. If needed, return to Klaviyo to verify the form's display rules match your expectations. That's it. You've connected Klaviyo sign-up forms to WordPress, set yourself up to collect subscribers, and kept everything streamlined through the official plugin. Thanks for watching and happy growing.